Hello good people, this is Matt Fisher back with another exciting video for you guys today as always, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys what I think is the coolest feature of Google Assistant. So I'm on my Google Pixel right now, and as you guys do know, I am in the Android beta program, but I'm still on Android 8.1 I believe, so I'm on a version that everyone else can access, and this feature is available to everyone provided you have the most recent updates for Google Assistant. So if I go ahead and I open up Google Assistant and I go to their Lens feature, which is Google's, AI thing, and now I have a book here, and it doesn't have to be a book. It could be a receipt, piece of paper, something on the television, what have you. But they recently added this feature that allows them to select and copy text. So I can literally go to any page in this book, select something, and then really pinpoint text from what this Google Lens sees. And now I can copy, I can search this. So, I mean, if this was like a SKU code or the name of a song or something like that, or what have you, I can save a lot of time as opposed to having to look up, type a couple characters, look up again, type a couple more characters, especially if it's like a SKU code or something like that. Now I can just take a picture of it or select it with Google Lens or Google Assistant, copy it, paste it, or just search it right from Google Lens. So instantly a huge time saver and a big productivity tool that they've added to Google Assistant. Now, I happen to really think that this is a groundbreaking feature that they've added to Google Lens, so this is why I think this is the coolest and best feature they've added. Because a lot of these features for productivity you might not see yourself using, but this is definitely one that I will see myself using frequently. But that's the video that I have for you guys today. If you enjoyed it and want to see more videos like this, then go ahead and click on that subscribe button and that notification bell right next to it, because that's the only way you're actually going to see your subscriptions nowadays. But other than that, guys, enjoy the rest of your day, and take care.